Vienna International Airport. With around 20,000 employees, 22 million passengers, and 264,000 takeoffs and landings each year, Vienna International Airport is a key pillar of international travel. Its dense route network and short transfer times make Vienna Airport one of the most popular hubs among travelers. A huge logistical feat has made this possible. The two runways, runway 1129 and runway 1634, are used for all air traffic. Runway 1634 is 11,811 feet long and 148 feet wide. The runway shoulders provide a width of 25 feet on each side. Built in 1976, in line with the technology available at the time, runway 1634 was only refurbished once in 1993. Every aircraft landing means the impact of a couple of 100 tons of weight on the runway. Following a detailed analysis and evaluation, Vienna Airport opted for a comprehensive runway refurbishment in 2013. The construction project was put out for tender across Europe in a two-stage competition. The most economical bid was chosen from among the best offers. Arge, Teregastag, and Pietel and Brauswetter won the project. A runway area of 2.37 million feet squared must be refurbished in several stages of construction. Runway 1634 will be closed at night and on weekends. In between, it'll be open for normal operations. The aim is to adapt the runway to state-of-the-art technology and improve both runway safety and availability. Takeoffs and landings every few minutes. A typical workday at Vienna Airport. But refurbishment works will commence at 9 p.m. sharp. The necessary preparations are in full force. The asphalt, which will absorb the impact of aircraft landing on Monday, is being produced in and delivered from hot mixing plants located close to the airport. Transport routes via the primary road network are chosen to protect neighboring and residential areas from noise pollution. Motorways and expressways are primarily used. The construction and project management teams meet every day at 3 p.m. The weather forecast is being checked. The decision whether to go ahead with construction or not is made every day. The sheer size of the construction project, simultaneous works being carried out, and the amount of material used are major challenges for man and machine. Precise documentation will be kept of each step of the construction work. Plans of action and checklists are necessary for making the right decisions, even in difficult situations. This is where all the strings are pulled.
Implementing the goal set by the Vienna Airport poses the main challenge in this project. In particular, the provision of the construction services in the required quality and the timely completion of construction works free from any defects. The top priority for airport operations management is to ensure that those areas where construction work was carried out during the night are ready for operations in the morning.
The construction project is running on a tight schedule. The entire runway refurbishment is completed in April and May 2013. At 8:55 p.m., the last flight of the day on this runway takes off for Paris. Special teams are on standby to cordon off the area. Upon receiving the go-ahead, they spread out and secure the area. Only then can construction work begin. 9 p.m. sharp, a convoy starts moving in. Up to 400 vehicles and 450 workers set to work. On weekends, there are even up to 450 vehicles and 500 workers. 88,185 short tons of milled asphalt, 1.41 million feet cubed of excavation material, and 90,389 short tons of asphalt must be transported. 7.5 miles line markings, 3.1 miles cable conduits, 39.1 miles cables, and about 850 runway lights are needed. Perfect teamwork and absolute precision are a must. A great deal is demanded of the workers, especially at night.
Having to coordinate and plan the use of more than 300 construction vehicles in such a way that they all finish their work by 7 a.m. sharp is the big challenge posed by this construction site.
After the start of work, 4.7 inches of asphalt are milled off over a length of up to 0.12 miles at night. On weekends, asphalt is milled off over a length of up to 0.37 miles. Trucks continuously deliver and remove asphalt and milled asphalt material. Thereafter, the runway will be swept and cleaned with water. A 3.1-inch thick binding layer is then applied. In the meantime, slits are cut right across the runway to accommodate the empty conduits, which later enable electricians to install the runway lighting. Over the weekend, the 1.6-inch thick surface layer is applied on top of the binding layer, covering the entire width of the runway, including the shoulders. 13 finishers work hand in hand to ensure seamless and smooth paving in 3 stages. The qualitative goal is a runway surface without any seams. In the next step, rollers compact the asphalt to the required density. Construction work on the shoulders and taxiways also takes place on weekends. Shoulders and taxiways are strengthened, renewed, and supplemented in some places. Towards the end of every shift, the markings are applied. The team can then reinstall the runway lighting. Special competence and skills are needed to achieve perfect synchronization between man and machine. Only construction companies with solid experience in airport projects are selected for this task.
Success in such projects is only possible with a motivated team, strong partners with the required know-how, and direct access to all the resources one needs.
In order to commence flight operations on runway 1634, the runway, taxiways, and green areas must be free of dirt and any foreign matter. Following the last cleaning process, a meticulous final inspection of operational safety and quality is carried out.
The high level of quality assurance in this project must fully satisfy the stringent requirements for aircraft operation areas.
Construction supervisors, as well as construction and project managers, are always on duty. Working as a team, they help ensure the successful implementation of the project. At 7 a.m. sharp, runway 1634 is handed over for flight operations. Shortly after 7 a.m., the first aircraft lands safely and on schedule. During the course of the day, more aircraft will follow suit. Some of them are already up in the sky, destined for Vienna Airport. This project was completed within a short space of time. Professional cooperation with airlines, flight safety, local authorities, and best community relations are key factors for the efficient management of such a major construction project. The successful refurbishment of runway 1634 at Vienna Airport is the result of all the persons and companies that were fully committed to the project.